This video is part of our Back to School series for educators who've been using Pathful and are ready to go deeper this year. If you're just getting started, check out our Getting Started series instead. In this video, we'll take a look at the career plan. The career plan is Pathful's personalized roadmap for life after high school, and if that sounds familiar, it's because it replaces what many of you know as the Postsecondary Plan. Same core idea, rebuilt with more robust and customizable elements. Pathful built the career plan by studying state compliance requirements across the country. You might know your state's version by a different name: an ICAP, an IGP, an individual learning plan. Whatever it's called where you teach, the career plan is designed to meet it. For students, it's a guided experience that feels personal, not another form to fill out. Everything they've already done in Pathful, their goals, their assessment results, their experiences, feeds right in, so there's little to no duplicate work. For you, it's a real checkpoint. You can see at a glance where a student's goals and choices line up or where they don't, and that's where the best conversations start. And when it's ready, parents can review and approve the plan with a digital signature, right from Family Access. One plan, built to grow with every student, and built to meet you where your state's requirements are.